Hey everybody, it's the Ceiling Fan Guy 1000 here. Today I want to show you this unknown ceiling fan. I don't know what this fan is, but it looks sort of Casablanca-like to me. Could be Kenroy, could be Gulf Coast, could be, I don't know what the model name is or brand. So if any of you know, if you can know, if you left a link, if you told me the name in the comments below, that would be greatly appreciated. So let's just get back to the fan. So this fan is a 52-inch fan. It has this cool light kit that I like. Has a really cool light kit on it. And it looks like it has Casablanca Genesis like blades. So, and I even got it with this other fan over here too. Here it is. Some Saga spinner ceiling fan. So let's get back to the fan again. So this fan is actually, I don't know what the motor looks like. A Casablanca Genesis motor. It could be a Casablanca Genesis of a different version. But I'm guessing, but I just don't know what it is. That's just my guess. It's an unknown ceiling fan. I don't know where that light came from. I don't know if it's original to the fan, but it's a cool light kit and a cool fan. So I got it at the Habitat for Humanity restore. You see that video? There will be a link in the description below. And let's spin it. Spin it the other way. And by spinning it like this, it does feel like it blows kind of a lot of air. It does have some pull chains. I'm going to go to them in a second. Just getting around from the other side. And these are the pull chains. There's even a pull chain for the light on the back over here. But sorry if I can't get it. Just spin it one more time. So that's it. No. Wait till it spins down. So just wait till this fan spins down. And again, if you left down a comment and told me the name of this fan, that would be greatly appreciative. So That's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.